Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Android phone as a document camera during a Zoom call. Earlier this week, there was a lot of chatter about a new iPhone app called Overviewer that allows you to do this. And a lot of people have asked me if there was a way to do this with Android phones. And the answer is yes. I'm going to walk you through the steps you need to do. So first of all, you're going to need your Android phone. And I recommend getting something like a flexible ring light with a built-in cell phone holder. I got this one on Amazon years ago for about 15 bucks. Amazon is littered with this kind of product. Get something like this to hold your phone with a little light over it so that you can position it right over your document and give some bright light to that document so it's easier for your students to see what you're doing. Now, once you have your phone positioned the way you want to use it, we're going to jump into some free software called Visor. You'll find it at vysor.io, visor.io. There's a free version and a paid version. I've been using the free version for years and I've been very happy with it. The great thing about Visor that I really like is that you can just use your USB cable to connect your phone to your computer and project your phone to your computer when you have Visor running. So you're going to want to get Visor running on your computer. You can see here, I've got my phone connected using the Visor software. I'm going to hit the View button, and that's going to bring up whatever my phone is looking at right now. Whatever's on my phone screen is what's going to be reflected here on my computer screen. You can see right now, I just have this little greeting card that came from my friend Lee Lefevre at Common Craft. Shout out to Common Craft. I've got that little postcard right there, a little greeting card. And you can see I got my pen, and I'm just going to write on top of that. Now, obviously, I'd want to zoom in more or less depending upon what document I have underneath there and what I want students to see. But for the sake of simplicity here, I'm just going to use this little greeting card at the default zoom level. Now, speaking of Zoom, I'm going to have my Zoom meeting going. And I've got my Zoom meeting happening here. So I'm going to go ahead and now screen share in my Zoom meeting. And I'm going to screen share just my phone. You'll see right there's my phone screen. I'm going to screen share that. So my students are seeing just my phone screen right now and anything that I have in here. So if I start writing on this document, they'll see me writing and highlighting on the document. But I can also take advantage of the annotation tools that are built into Zoom, and I could draw on the screen and say, wow, look at that cute dog. And of course, I can clear that off if I want to, use different colors. Maybe I want to use this nice shade of yellow, and I go and squiggle around that way. And of course, clear it all again. Then I can leave the annotation. And of course, when I'm done with that particular screen, I just hit stop sharing, and we're back into the meeting as usual. So that's how you can use your Android device as a document camera in a Zoom meeting. And really, the pieces you need, the Visor software at visor.io, something to hold up your phone, and of course, your Zoom meeting. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.